Hey divas, I have a new subscription to share with you. I'm trying Rocksbox this month, so stick around and find out all about it and find out what I got. Cheers! Welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I do unboxings and clothing shopping hauls and try-ons and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now if that sounds like your idea of a good time, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Cheers! Okay, so the deets on Rocksbox. It is a monthly subscription service for $21. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. They pick them out, but you can swap them out with whatever else is available, and you can buy them. And I think you can apply the $21 to a piece that you buy. And you can wear something and then send the things back, and in the same month, they'll send you some more for that same $21. They don't charge you extra, so you could probably exchange it probably 2 or 3 times in a month. And if you found, if you got a box where you liked everything, then you can hang on to it and just as each month goes by, have that $21 applied to the cost of it. And then there's also stuff you can buy, of course, and they have sales and things like that. So let's get into this. I am not patient, it just came in the mail. And it's nighttime here, but I was like, I still got to check this out. So, oh, see, I don't follow instructions. It says tear here. Don't forget to save this envelope to send your box back. So I better do that. I have to do some repair work where I started to cut it with the scissors, which I didn't even need. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This very nice little box with very pretty design on it. It says Rocksbox. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna open it up. But first, jewelry, okay? So that shows what I got and the price list. And I actually changed everything that they picked out for me. And then there's a little thing with jewelry care. And welcome to the Rocksbox family. And let's see, they have a helpline, quality guaranteed, how to make the most of your membership, hang on to your return envelope. You'll use it to return your current set for more pieces, learn about each set, love all 3 pieces in your set, receive an additional $10 off when you buy your entire set. Your invoice always shows your total with discounts applied. And update your wish list frequently. If you love it, buy it. Purchase any items that you truly love from your set by logging onto your account. And your $21 monthly credit is always, your $21 monthly credit is available from the first to the last day of every month, and credit is automatically applied toward purchases from your set. So, and then also, I tried this out using somebody's referral code, so I got $25 off my first box. So this is essentially free. And I'll go ahead and leave a referral code if you want to try it in the description below. So this is what it looks like. It says enjoy, and then there are 3 little bags in there, and then the other thing that is in here is the return label. All right, so let's check the first one, and this says Rudiment, and it's a nice kind of faux suede bag. Let's see. And this is a bracelet, so they've also got it in bubble wrap. And let's see if you can see that. It is gold tone, and then it's got crystals, and I'm having a hard time There you go. There you can kind of see it. So let's see how it fits me, because I have kind of small wrists. It does squeeze down and looks very nice. Let's see. Let me pull my sleeve back so you can see it. There we go. All right, I like that. First one's a winner. I like that a lot. Let's see how much it is. Okay, that is the Richmond Cuff in Gold by Rudiment, and the retail price is $65. The member price is $55. So I like that a lot. I like kind of dainty bracelets. All right, let's see what's next. The next bag, you can't see it because of the color. It says Dusk. Let's see what's in there. I love jewelry. All right, so this is a necklace, and this is, it's silver, and it's like an opal. Yep, that's like an opal. All right, so it's, I think it's a layered necklace. See, I forgot. I just ordered it and I forgot. I'm dropping things here. All right, so it's in a little bag. The chain is, yes, it is a layered necklace. And it's got a little kink in the chain. And I'm going to try that on for you. All right, I should take off the one I have. All right, the one that I was wearing is the one that I got in my FabFitFun box. And I've been wearing that a lot. I like it. But this is pretty. I like this. It's very dainty. So it's got this first layer, which has like little crystals. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. I will say that. But I like it. Let's see if I can get up closer to the camera so you can see. All right, not the greatest, but it is very pretty. Okay, last one. This is a Rocksbox, and this is earrings. And you're gonna laugh when you see them, because these are smaller than I thought they would be too. But these are little tiny wine glasses. Isn't that pretty? Aren't they cute? I had to get those. So they've got like little pink or red, I guess, stones in them. And they are very, very tiny. But I'm going to enjoy wearing those. So let's see what the price of these last two things were. All right, the necklace is the Sunny Layered Necklace in silver. Retail price is $75. The member price is $63. And then the Sophie Harper Wine Studs, retail price is $45 and the member price is $38. Now I may just have to keep those because those are just too Andrea to not keep them. So that's what I got in my Rocksbox, and I am really excited. I love jewelry, and I think $21 to be able to try different pieces even a couple times in a month is going to be a good deal. Not going anywhere these days because the COVID cases in Colorado are going sky high like they are across much of the country. So, but I like to wear jewelry every day, even though I'm just hanging out and working at home by myself and with my husband. So I'm going to enjoy this subscription. And before I sign off, I'll show you my outfit of the day. So today I am wearing the kind of mauve jeans that I got from Old Navy in that shopping haul, and I paired it with this striped shirt that I got from Stitch Fix, and I'm just wearing some shoes that I got from DSW a while back. So I'll come up a little closer so you can see the color of the sweater, and it's got this rounded hem and then just cuffs, and yeah. And I will also tell you that I hit my goal weight with the intermittent fasting. Let me know if you want an update on my intermittent fasting. You can leave a comment down below if you'd like me to do an update on the intermittent fasting. And that's all I have for you. I'm supposed to get my Stitch Fix next week, and I'm waiting anxiously. I keep checking the app, and she hasn't even started working on it, so we'll see if it really comes next week, but that's the next thing I'll have for you. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. I'm trying to get up to 100 subscribers, so I would just love it if you'd help me with that. And let me know if you get Rocksbox or if you get any other jewelry subscriptions, and tell me about them. So until next time, dress like you mean it, divas.